Good morning, my little champ. How are you? I am Shashi Rahatgi. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 4, the excretory system. The excretory system. Our body produces waste material. These waste material must be thrown out of the body because they are toxic, and if they remain in the body may harm it. The waste material is removed from the body with the help of excretory system. Thus the main function of excretory system is to remove toxic and harmful waste from the body. What is excretion? The removal of waste from our body is called excretion. Many organs help us to get rid of waste. The large intestine removes solid waste as feces. In chapter 3, you have learned there are two types of intestine, small intestine and large intestine. Complete digestion takes place in small intestine, but undigested food goes to large intestine. The large intestine removes solid waste as feces. The skin helps remove some waste in the form of sweat. The lungs remove carbon dioxide. You know, children, carbon dioxide is waste gas. We inhale oxygen and poisonous gas carbon dioxide exhale from our body. The kidney form urine which has several waste substances. Organ of the excretory system. The kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. These all are organ of excretory system. First, kidney. This one. Look here, this figure. This is kidney. These are bean-shaped organ that lie at the back behind the liver. Look here. Kidney, these are bean-shaped organ that lie at the back behind the liver and stomach. That is why people with kidney problem get backaches. तुमने देखा होगा जिन लोगों को किडनी प्रॉब्लम होती है उनको पीठ के दर्द की, बैकएक्स की शिकायत होती रहती है. Each kidney has thousands and thousands of tiny filters, just like a strainer. This one, just like a strainer. Our kidney has thousands and thousands of tiny filters. They work like the colanders or strainers. We use to wash vegetables or to strain pasta or rice from boiling water. घर में कभी तुम लोगों ने मम्मी को देखा होगा, आपके लिए जब वो पास्ता बनाती हैं या राइस पानी में बॉईल करती हैं वाटर में, या वेजिटेबल्स वॉश करती हैं, तो ये स्ट्रेनर्स काम आता है. इसमें क्या होता है बच्चों कि जितने भी डर्टी वाटर होते हैं वो पास आउट हो जाते हैं थ्रू द स्ट्रेनर, और क्लीन वेजिटेबल्स जो हैं वो ऊपर रह जाते हैं. सिमिलरली, when blood carrying waste from the body passes through the filters in the kidney, water mixed with waste passes out of the blood through the filters. This waste water mix forms urine and is carried away from the kidney by the ureter. This one. ureter. This is the kidney. Kidney has thousand and thousand of tiny filters just like a strainers. When blood carrying waste, जब ब्लड में कोई वेस्ट आता है, कोई गंदगी आती है, तो ठीक स्ट्रेनर्स की तरह ये भी क्या करता है? When blood carrying waste from the blood passes through the filters of the kidney. Water mixed with waste passes out of blood through the filter. This waste water mix form urine and is carried away from the kidney by ureter. This one. Ureter. This one. The ureters. The ureter. These are ureter. The ureter is a tube-like structure. This ureter is tube-like structure. There are two ureters. They pass urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Repeat again. The ureter is this one. The ureter is tube-like structure. There are two ureters, 1 and 2. There are two ureters. They pass. This ureter pass urine. This ureter pass urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. This one. Urinary bladder. It is sac-like structure. It is sac-like structure. It can stretch like a rubber bag. बच्चों, जिस तरह से रबड़ का बैग को स्ट्रेच कर लेते हो, खींचते हो तुम, बिल्कुल हमारा यूरिनरी ब्लैडर बिल्कुल जस्ट लाइक अ रबर बैग. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर स्टोर्स यूरिन फॉर सम टाइम बिफोर एक्सपेलिंग इट आउट. It open outside through urethra. This urinary bladder open outside through urethra. Urethra. Urethra is a small, this one. The urethra is a small tube. It passes urine from urinary bladder. This one, urethra. It is a small tube. It passes urine from urinary bladder to outside through an opening called urinary opening. Today your lesson is finished. I will give homework on Teno. Watch this video and do homework. Thank you.